In this video, I will show you how to fix broken layouts in Gamma AI after editing using a few quick tips. First, I'll open my presentation from the dashboard and scroll down to a slide that needs a layout adjustment. On this, "The future is now" card, I'll click the Edit this card icon and select Try New Layout. The AI Layouts panel opens on the right and begins generating new ways to organize my content. I can click through these previews to see how the text and images shift. If I don't like the new suggestions, I simply click the undo arrow at the top of the panel to bring my original layout back exactly as it was. Now, let's try using the AI agent on the Actionable Strategies slide. I'll click Edit with AI and type, "Make this card more visual," into the chat box. The agent gives me a few options to choose from, and I'll select the second one to convert this into a grid layout. The AI generates a modified version for me to review alongside the original content. If I prefer the previous look, I can just select the original preview and close the agent panel. I'll do a final scroll through the presentation to make sure every slide looks consistent and polished. And there you have it. That's the complete process of fixing broken layouts in Gamma AI after editing.